Welcome! We're here today with Showchrome Accessories to discuss our front fender LED lights for the Can-Am Spyder. These front fender LED lights have been a great product, and we've just improved on them by doubling the output of the LED lights. These lights will function as a running as well as a turn signal. Again, this is going to increase your safety through visibility when traveling down the road. Installation is fairly simple and straightforward and comes with everything needed for the install, including the instructions. If you have any further questions with these high-intensity LED front fender lights, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please take a look at our dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. Thank you for watching, and safe riding.